This is a 1966 Mustang convertible. So we took this car all the way down to bare metal. We took every piece off of it, had the engine completely rebuilt, balanced, blueprinted, and dyno tested. It's a 289, 2-barrel with a 4-speed, and it runs just beautifully. The color that you see here, this dark green, is the original color of the car. We took great pains to scan the color from an area of the car that saw no sunlight, and then we really worked hard to match the color. We have a full color matching system, and we use Sickens paint here at Farland Classic Restoration. So we got the color very, very accurate. It had an original black interior and a black top, which we replaced. The inside of the engine compartment was done to look very stock. We didn't use shiny paint. We didn't do anything that would make it look like it was a fancy shiny restoration. When you pop the hood, it looks very much like it did back in 1966. It has the original style wheels that the car had, all the correct badging, a beautiful vinyl soft top that works very well. One upgrade that we did do is we changed it from drum brakes to disc brakes all the way around. This car, if you really got picky about it, we made the body nicer than it ever was. Ford never made one quite this straight, and they never put paint on a car that looked quite this good. You can see cars like this and many other interesting restorations at farlandclassicrestoration.com or farlandcars.com, and we have a great number of interesting projects, over 120 on our website.